Hey guys, I am just making myself some lunch. I'm gonna make myself some strawberries and apples, and I bought myself a coffee from McDonald's. Let's talk about the shop update and where we're at. So I got some disappointing news today. You remember I've been waiting for that second local sticker supplier to get back to me? Well, they did, and I think based on what they said, kind of explains why that first sticker supplier that contacted me was so expensive. So this supplier said that they have a minimum charge and it's a lot higher than what it was because apparently the tariffs that Trump has put on Canada are affecting these guys. So they are having to increase their pricing based on what the manufacturers are charging them. And yeah, it's just a whole cycle of passing along the upcharge, right? So I can't afford that high price for the stickers for this particular project. So I am back to looking at online suppliers, and hopefully the tariff issue isn't going to become a problem there as well. Because most of these, well, see, a lot of the sticker suppliers that I can find online are US based, but there are a few popping up that claim to be Canadian based. So I'm not really sure how that will all affect. But I guess what I'm trying to say is I'm still looking. So this is becoming tricky, to say the least. And yeah, I just thought I would give you an update to see where that's at. Still looking for a good sticker supplier that I can afford to in turn put together this Agatha Christie tracker and make it somewhat affordable for you guys. So wish me luck on that front. Since you listened to me ramble, I thought I would show you my lunch today. So strawberries, apples, milk, good to go.